Hi, this is Matthew Kenslow, and in this video I'm responding to a comment that I got. As a lot of you know, I've completed the CBEST last December and I passed. I'm very thankful. Here's that video up there. And the comment asked me, how did I prepare for the test? Well, on the website there are PDFs that is like a practice test that you could go through. Of course, I didn't just look at that. I also went to other places like a website. There's a website that had some practice problems, and YouTube, I believe, is a good source as well. So the PDF that they provide, the practice problems on a website geared for the CBEST and CSETs, and YouTube videos. Now, not everything that is in the practice appeared on the CBEST or the CSETs, but I think it really gears you toward how they structure the questions. When I took it, it reminded me of all the STAR testing that I've taken in elementary school to high school. You know, basic reading, definitions and such, the mathematics part, and then the writing part. Writing has 2 prompts to it, and I guess I would say just, you know, preparing for test day, just take moments each day to practice, to look at the PDFs, the files and such, and just practice on a blank sheet of paper. The day of the test, depending on morning, noon, or night, make sure that you eat like breakfast or breakfast and lunch, depending. Get a good night's sleep. I personally took the computer-based test, so they gave me a dry erasable, laminated like notebook folder with a dry erasable pen for the math calculations and all that. And there's also no calculators for the math. I'm not sure I could help on gearing where to go other than just websites or YouTube videos, because I personally love math. In fact, what I'm training to be is a math and science teacher, but I understand that a lot of people don't like math. I loved that portion, but I understand not everybody does, so just practice. It's like basic math and statistics, probability and such. So I guess the advice I could give is, on the days leading up to test day, do the practice, like the PDFs and such, and then on test day, like the morning of, just glance over your notes and such, because you've already done the practice. You could, if you want to, redo the problems and such, and make sure that you're best prepared. Go in, take a deep breath, and start. And that's what I did. I took a deep breath and I started, and I focused on it. So I'm sure that if you apply this, you'll do well. And please, if you've taken the CBEST yourself and you have additional advice, please let us know in the comments below. But this is what I've done, or partly what I've done to prepare, and this is my advice to give. So have a great day. I hope that you do well.